Hi guys, it's me again, Fly with me FPV, and I just got this from SN Hobbies. It is a micro, very small one. It's like a tiny whoop in steroids. But anyways, the name of the uh, quad is BeeBee-66. 66 meaning motor to motor diagonally. It's 66 millimeters. And this is the box that I got. This is a FR Sky compatible bind and fly version. This is from Full Speed RC. I did a review of their Leader 120. Having a blast with that micro quad. I just love flying it. Anyways, I'm not gonna do an unboxing. This is what it looks like. It is small, but a lot bigger than the tiny whoop, and heavier. Let's weigh it. Oh, without the battery, 26 grams. Yeah, well, that's more than legal here in Canada. I will not go through the specs or what is included because there are a lot of people, YouTubers, very credible ones like Albert Kim, Nick Burns, and Andy RC, who did a review of this BeeBee-66 already. I don't have really, anything to add other than me having a hard time looking for the binding process, because since this is an FR Sky compatible or FR Sky version of the BeeBee-66, it came with a FR Sky nano receiver. I don't know if you can see it there, but that's it. It has a bind button, but I was trying to bind it the way I bind other FR Sky receivers, but it was not working. Anyways, I reached out to Lewis, and Lewis sent me a print screen of the bind process, which is somewhere in the fullspeedrc.com website. I will indicate it somewhere here on this corner, and hopefully you guys can follow the instruction. Pretty simple. I don't know how to do it on DSM or DSMX or for Spectrum, but it's pretty straightforward if you follow the guide. So this comes with a GNB 260 high voltage, meaning up to 4.35. You have to have a high voltage charger in order to charge that. Came with that charger, didn't come with a cable, so that's the piece that came with it. You attach it there, it charges, it turns blue when it's done charging. Anyways, it came with one, and mine came with extra props inside. Don't want to open it, but trust me, there's another set of props like this. I may continue using this, may upgrade it to something else, but I would like to fly this stock and get a feel of it, and see how this micro rips. What is nice about Full Speed RC, and kudos to Lewis Lee, that these things come in tuned. I mean, this one came with 3.1.7 beta flight, and it is actually tuned. The rates in Expo are not there, but I'm pretty sure the numbers there are not stock PIDs or default PIDs for beta flight. So Lewis actually has a tune for this already, and he ships them with those PIDs. Now you just maybe need to adjust the rates, the expos, and whatnot, but the PIDs are already tuned for you. Again, as I mentioned, I don't have anything more to add to what those three YouTubers already did on their review video. So I will just try. I got some batteries. It's there charging. They are my LiPos 250 high voltage, and those are the ones that I will use to test this one. So anyways, that is what I'm gonna do in the next few days. Just try to fly this indoors and see how it handles. Maybe adjust the tune or raise an expo. But yeah, I'm pretty excited in ripping this both indoors and outdoors. Anyways, guys, thank you very much. If you want to see more of these videos, please do support my channel. Click subscribe, share, or smash the like button. Thank you.